All right, welcome back. So we're looking at code.org CS Discoveries. This is a challenge activity called Alpha for Lesson 9 Sprite Properties. And we're going to use this alpha. We're going to drag this out here. And basically what it does, and we kind of describe it here, is alpha is a property that can control the transparency of a sprite. It uses decimal values to represent transparency. So if we did equal to 1, it would be not transparent at all. And if we did 0, it would be completely transparent, which means there'd be no colors showing. So let's run this right now. Oh, I'm going to get an error because I dragged that out actually. So let's get rid of that and run this for a quick second. And we can see we have a ghost, right? So clearly what we want to do is we want to, it says, use either the sprite property already created for you or with any other sprites. So you're choosing, play around the transparency and see how it works and how it changes on different. So I'm gonna leave these sprites here, and we're just gonna drag that alpha out. Okay. First thing I want to do is I'm going to affect the ghost. So I want to name that ghost.alpha so that we're going to change the the transparency of the ghost. So let's just try it for a second. If I did 0, our ghost is basically gone. There's no color to that character. And then if I did 1, there's not going to be any transparency like they did above here. So what we need to do is do 0.5 or whatever you want, but maybe. There we go. So 0.5 is going to make it just a little bit transparent. Let's go ahead and run that. Yeah, there we go. So alpha affects the transparency of the characters. Any character you wanted to, any sprite you wanted to affect that to, you could do that on here. Okay, in this case, we're going to do the ghost. So just another tool that you can use, a tool in the toolbox there for your coding. And this is a good one. You can make things transparent. You can, put them over things and make them so you can see the characters behind. A lot of really cool options for you. All right, so hopefully this helps you. Good luck with your coding.